Okay, so a floor capping is the same width as the post, so it's 90mm. Also wrapped will be your weld trim, which will go underneath the floor capping, and your handrail. Just like before, the fillets are fitted inside the rail. Take them out, and you'll see where we use them later. Because all the posts are plumb, our handrail, our weld cap, and our floor cap all cut same length.
Alright, so all the rails, floor caps, weld caps are cut. So now we start on the weld cap, then the floor cap, then the rail last. So now the floor cap, weld cap's in, we use 2 balusters, just standard height, set the heights of the rail.